Hey there! Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Topic Trick, your go-to channel for quick, clear, and beginner-friendly programming tutorials. All right, let's jump into the world of logical operators in Rexx. Logical operators are what help your Rexx programs make decisions. They're like the brain of your conditions. They decide what's true, what's false, and what to do next. In Rexx, the main logical operators you'll use are and, or, and not, written as the ampersand, the vertical bar, and the backslash. Let's break that down. The ampersand, which represents the and operator, checks if two conditions are both true. For example, if age 18 and age 65, then say you are eligible. This condition will only be true if both parts, greater than 18 and less than 65, are true. Next up is the vertical bar, which represents the or operator. It checks if at least one condition is true. For example, if city equals London, city equals Dublin, then say delivery available. This line will print the message if either city is London or Dublin. And finally, we have the backslash, which is used for the not operator. It flips the logic. For example, if ready, then say still preparing. This means if ready is not true, then it will print the message. You can also combine these logical operators for more complex conditions. For instance, if status equals active and expired, then say access granted. This means the status must be active and the item must not be expired. Logical operators are powerful tools that help you add real intelligence to your Rexx programs. Mastering them makes your scripts smarter and more dynamic. Still curious about Rexx? Let us know your questions in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to Topic Trick so you never miss a tip. See you in the next one.